will study about the structure of the kidneys. Basically, the parts which are involved in the urinary system. These are the two bean-shaped structures. The bean-shaped organs are the two kidneys, which are 10 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide, right? And over the kidneys you have cap-like structures present. A cap is present over the kidneys, which is known as the adrenal gland. You have already studied in your endocrine system. What is the function of the adrenal gland? That it releases a hormone which is known as adrenaline. And the structure of the adrenal gland, medulla is present and a cortex is present, right? And this hormone adrenaline, it helps you during your emergency situations, the fight and the flight situations, right? So then in the kidneys you have two blood vessels, the renal artery and the renal vein, which carry the deoxygenated blood and the oxygenated blood. So to demarcate between the two, I have colored it with blue and red, but otherwise the deoxygenated blood is dark red in color rather than blue, and the oxygenated blood is bright red. Now from the kidneys there is a part called hilum, from where the ureters will arise. That I'll discuss in detail where the hilum is present. So here a hilum part is there from where the ureters they arise. And from the front part, if you'll see, these ureters, they are joined to the an expanded part which is known as pelvis, right? And then this ureters join to the urinary bladder from the back. This dotted structure which is shown, that is depicting that it is joined to the urinary bladders from the back. And then we have the urinary bladder. Now the blood, when it gets filtered, the nitrogenous waste and the urine, they flow through the ureter into the urinary bladder. So urinary bladder collects all the urine. And ureters, they are like tube-like structures which carry the urine to the urinary bladder. Then this urinary bladder is guarded by a sphincter. Sphincter, these are the circular muscles which are present, which control the opening of the urinary bladder, and through the urethra the urine passes out of the body. So the blood gets filtered here, the extra, the nitrogenous waste and the water, it moves through the ureter, the tube-like structure. The urine gets collected into the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is controlled by a sphincter. It is a muscle, circular muscles, which control the opening of the urinary bladder. And once it opens, the urine flows out through the urethra.